Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about the interesting facts about Lake Baikal. Do you know the area of the Lake Baikal is equal to country Belgium? Lake Baikal is the world's largest freshwater lake in terms of volume. It is about 640 kilometers, 397 miles long and 80 kilometers, 50 miles wide. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world at 1620 meters, 5314 feet deep. Lake Baikal contains 20% of the world's total unfrozen freshwater reserve. Lake Baikal contains more water than all the North American Great Lakes combined. In Lake Baikal, water is so crystal clear that you can see to a depth up to 130 feet. The water of the Lake Baikal is the most transparent of all freshwater lakes. In some areas of the Lake Baikal, we can see the bottom of it at a depth of 40 meters up to 130 feet. On Lake Baikal, about 100 gas mud volcanoes were found. There are more than 30 rocky islands in Lake Baikal. One of them is the world's largest island in a lake, Olkhon, known as the Galapagos of Russia. Despite the fact that Baikal is a lake, the storms there can see quite severe with waves reacting up to 16 feet. Do you know ice on Lake Baikal in many places is completely transparent? The water level in Lake Baikal is at 456 meters, 1496 feet above sea level. Do you know the Lake Baikal is home to more than 2 dozen species of plants and animals, two-thirds of which can be found nowhere else in the world, including the Omul fish and Baikal oilfish, as well as the Narpa, the world's only freshwater species of seal. Lake Baikal is an ancient, massive lake in the mountain Russian region of Siberia, north of the Mongolian border. Baikal's winter year temperature average minus 21 degrees Celsius and August temperatures 11 degrees Celsius. The lake surface freezes in January and thaws in May or June. The water temperature at the surface in August is between 50 and 54 Fahrenheit, that is 10 and 12 degrees approximately, and reaches 68 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 20 degrees Celsius in the offshore shallows. One of the most numerous fish species of Lake Baikal is the unique Baikal oilfish. Do you know 70% of fish in Lake Baikal are Baikal oilfish? The fish has no scales. If you fry Baikal oilfish in a pan, then only the spine will remain. Everything else will simply melt to fat. The fish is viviparous. Do you know after the childbirth the mother oilfish dies? Baikal's oilfish can live in an aquarium at home if you provide water temperature at low, that is up to 6 degrees Celsius. Baikal oilfish is inedible for humans, cats and dogs. Do not eat it as well as, but it is eaten by Baikal's ringed seals with great pleasure. Baikal's oilfish called as Baikal shark. When coming to another category, Omul fish. Baikal omul fish is a whitefish species of the salmon family, endemic to Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia.